Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. Dear children, have you ever seen stickers attached on the doors of the refrigerator? Did you ever stick some pins to the pin holder? Have you ever enjoyed playing with them? Did you ever think what causes them to stick? Then today I'm here with a simple and easy home science activity to find out the reason. Now let us see what are the materials we require to do this simple home science experiment. We need 2 glass tumblers, 1 ring magnet, 1 needle and a thread. Procedure for step 1. Take a glass tumbler and place a ring or bar magnet inside the tumbler. Step 2. Take a needle through which a thread is passed and press the thread with a finger near the eye of the needle. Step 3. Take an empty glass and raise it slowly upward above this needle. Does the needle stand vertically up? No. Step 4. Now take the glass tumbler with a magnet inside it and raise it slowly upward above this needle and see what happens to the needle. What do you observe? Does the needle stand upright without touching the glass? Yes, the needle stands upright without touching the glass. Why does a glass with a magnet makes the needle to stand vertically up, but why doesn't an empty glass do it? We shall find out the answer. How does this experiment work? Yes, the answer is the magnet inside the glass. The magnet inside the glass is attracting the needle. That is the reason the needle stands upright without touching the glass. This property of magnetic attraction can be found in the materials made of iron. So, the magnets are used in stickers to hold them onto the doors of the refrigerator. And the magnet present at the center of the pin holder attracts the pins and keeps them sticking to it. This is about an interesting magnetic fun science experiment. I hope children will like and enjoy this experiment. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Kindly give your valuable likes, comments and shares. Thank you all.